Take a long, hard look at the physiques from the 1960s. When you study men like Steve Reeves or the early pioneers of physical culture, you see a specific kind of muscle density that looks like it was carved straight out of granite. These men didn't have fancy supplement stores. They didn't have climate-controlled gyms or high-tech gadgets. Before the idea of a protein powder shop even existed, these athletes were building world-class bodies in their own kitchens. They used simple blenders and basic grocery store ingredients that cost less than $1. I've spent years as a specialist in longevity medicine and nutrition. I see a troubling trend in how we talk about aging today. Listen to this. We're constantly told that once you hit 60, your muscles just wither away. They say you have to buy expensive, processed protein isolates and fake supplements to survive. That's a total lie. It's a biological error. Your aging body doesn't want more chemicals. It needs the right ancestral signals to start repairing itself. Don't ignore this fact. I put this old-school wisdom to the test myself. I tossed my modern protein powder and used the original 1960 Hercules Cocktail for 30 days. The results weren't what the big supplement companies want you to believe. This drink hits the exact physiological traps that seniors fall into, like anabolic resistance and joint wear. It uses real food chemistry to get the job done. Before we get into the heavy science, I want to hear from you. Write your age in the comments. Do you trust real food or those big industrial tubs of powder for your strength? I'll reply to every single one with a real look at your situation. Now, let's go back to 1960 and fix your health. If you want to know why this cocktail works so well, you have to look at the 3 biological switches it flips. The first one is the dual-phase protein release. The 1960 formula isn't just one thing. It's a team effort between whole eggs and non-fat dry milk powder. Here's the truth. The egg gives you fast-absorbing protein that hits your blood quickly to flip the mTOR switch. That's what starts muscle building. But at the same time, the powdered milk is loaded with casein. Casein turns into a gel in your stomach acid. It dissolves slowly and drips amino acids into your system for a full 8 hours. The math for a senior is unbeatable. Egg, fast, plus casein, slow, gives positive nitrogen balance, 8 hours. This stops your body from eating its own muscle when you go too long without a meal or while you're sleeping. The second switch is your structural scaffolding. Most seniors only think about the muscle. That's a mistake. Your muscle is only as strong as the tendon that holds it to the bone. The Hercules Cocktail uses unflavored gelatin for this. It gives you a massive hit of glycine and proline. These are the bricks your body uses to make collagen and thicken your cartilage. Think about it. You can't put a racing engine into a weak, rusty frame. The third switch is the neuromuscular spark. We mix the choline from the egg yolk with the potassium from a ripe banana. This supports the neuromuscular junction. Choline turns into acetylcholine. That's the messenger that tells your brain to make your muscles move. It sharpens your reaction time and your balance. Those are the things that keep you independent as you get older. Don't overlook this. When I started this 30-day experiment, I wasn't just looking for bigger arms. I wanted to see if my daily energy would change in ways that modern powders never touched. By the end of the first week, the most profound change was that the afternoon wall just vanished. Many of you over 60 know exactly what I'm talking about. It's that 3 p.m. heaviness where your body feels like lead and you need a nap just to get through the evening. Because this cocktail has the iron and magnesium from blackstrap molasses, my cellular energy production, or ATP synthesis, felt remarkably stable. It was a clean, steady hum of energy rather than a caffeine spike. You don't feel wired, you simply feel capable of finishing your chores without that overwhelming desire to sit down and rest. During the second week, the focus shifted to the night. As we get older, sleep often becomes fragmented, and we wake up feeling like our joints are made of dry, creaky wood. The high dose of glycine from the unflavored gelatin serves a fascinating biological role by naturally lowering the core body temperature. This allowed me to fall into a deeper, more restorative state of sleep. I found myself waking up without that characteristic morning stiffness. It felt as though the hinges of my body had been greased overnight. This is why real food beats a synthetic pill every time. It works with your natural biology. You aren't just feeding a muscle. You're repairing the whole foundation of how you move while you're resting. By the 4th week, the functional changes became undeniable. Most protein shakes often lead to a bloated, puffy look because of artificial sweeteners and inflammatory fillers. This 1960 preparation produced a sensation of granite density. My muscles felt tighter and more connected to my frame. I noticed it most during the small things. Standing up from a deep, soft sofa didn't require me to push off with my arms anymore. Climbing a flight of stairs felt like I had a 10% reserve of power I did not have before. Most importantly, the clicking and grinding in my knees, which I had accepted as an inevitable part of getting older, simply went silent. It became clear that my connective tissues were finally receiving the structural scaffolding they had been starving for. My body didn't feel younger in a superficial way. It felt structurally sound and reliable again. We need to use modern medical sense to make this 1960 cocktail safe for today. Back in the day, guys just cracked raw eggs into a blender. Don't do that. For anyone over 65, that's a huge risk. Your immune system and your stomach acid aren't what they used to be. It's called hypochlorhydria, and it means your stomach can't kill bacteria as well as it once did. Salmonella is a real threat. So, here's the most important rule. Use pasteurized liquid whole eggs from a carton. You get the same protein and choline without the risk of getting sick. Here is the exact ratio you need. Start with 1 cup of whole milk. That's your base. Add 1/3 of a cup of non-fat dry milk powder to pack in the protein and casein. Next, pour in 1/4 of a cup of those pasteurized liquid whole eggs. Take 1 packet of unflavored gelatin and soak it in 2 tablespoons of cold water for 1 minute first. This is a must. If you don't, it won't dissolve right in the blender. Finally, toss in 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses and 1 ripe banana. Timing is everything. You've got to drink this 30 minutes after your morning walk or after you do some resistance training. That's when your muscles are wide open for that mTOR signal. If your main concern is losing muscle while you sleep, drink it 30 minutes before bed. The casein gel will feed your body all night long. One more thing. Don't mix this with boiling hot liquids. Too much heat will ruin the delicate proteins in the eggs and milk. Keep it cool or room temperature. That's how you get the full benefit. The men of 1960 weren't living in the dark ages. They were eating in a way that fit the human body's design perfectly. They knew that real strength comes from giving your cells the right tools at the right time. The Hercules Cocktail is proof that you don't need a huge bank account or a cabinet full of chemicals to stay strong. You just need to go back to the basic chemistry that we used to understand. Don't let a number on a calendar tell you how strong you're allowed to be. Age is just a fact, but being frail is a choice you make with your food and your movement. When you use this 2-phase protein release to save your muscles and use gelatin to fix your joints, you're taking charge. You're telling your body to stay capable and stay independent. This 30-day test proved that real food synergy beats isolated chemistry every single time. You have the power to fix your own body with cheap ingredients from the local store. Those granite bodies of the past weren't a fluke. They were built on these exact rules. Your body is still waiting for those same signals. I want to know your plan right now. Are you going to try the 1960 Hercules Cocktail tomorrow morning? Or are you going to keep wasting money on industrial powders that don't help your joints or your sleep? Tell me in the comments. Tell me you're ready to start. I'm here to help you through it. Stay strong, keep moving, and go get your strength back.